Due to the wet autumn, none of the wheat was rolled after drilling, so it's all being rolled now. With over half the farm to cover, Jonathan is also rolling this afternoon using his 110 horsepower Mercedes-Benz MB-Trac 1100 and the 12.2 metre Opico rolls. These date from 1999 and were made in Denmark by Hiva. This is the first work the 1100 has done since it arrived last autumn. It was originally supplied new in August 1989 by Growers Services to a farm in Suffolk, where it was used with a D-mount sprayer, and later moved to Cambridgeshire. It has done 8,500 hours. The MB-Trac has also been fitted with Goodyear Terra-Tires, 31 inches wide, which spread its 4.9-ton weight over a wide area. Jonathan is working at about 8 km per hour, allowing the rolls time to do their job. Although they're not the heaviest, the rolls still weigh over 6 tons and do take some pulling, but it's easy going in these hard, dry conditions, and the MB isn't struggling.